In this experiment, we will understand the principles of paper chromatography. So for the experiment, you will need absolute alcohol, which is also known as ethanol. You will need a test tube. You will need two types of ink. One, you could use a red ink or a blue ink. And you will need filter paper along with pencil and scale. So initially, you can cut the filter paper that you have been given. Cut it in the center so that you can get the longest strip, and then to this strip take your scale and measure 3 centimeters from the bottom. Mark a line and then vertically from the top divide this line into 2 equal halves. So this point of intersection, you can mark it as P. Also, you can take a cork that is given in your kit with a hole, and we'll just slightly fold this so that we can fix it in the hole of the cork so that it remains intact and can be easily dipped into the test tube without falling into the test tube completely. On this point P, take your red ink in the beginning and make a blot. Let it dry. Then over the same ink, you can take your blue ink and drop the ink, or if you have a sketch pen, you can just blot the previous ink with it. Allow it to dry. In the meanwhile, take a clean and dry test tube. In that test tube, you can pour about 5 to 6 ml of your ethanol, such that it will completely dip the filter paper in it. Now we'll just slowly put the filter paper and make this setup in such a way that at least for about your filter paper should be dry for about 2 centimeters above the ethanol. So let's say about 1 centimeters below is what should be dipped in your ethanol. So you can also add some more ethanol if you feel it's not dipping the filter paper enough. And then this setup, you can leave it aside for 15 to 20 minutes and we will make observations after that. After the solvent has risen for about 15 centimeters on the chromatographic chamber, you will notice that the 2 spots of inks which you had put equally on spot P, you will see them separated into 2 separate spots of blue and red color. And the different colors that you will see on the filter paper separated out, this is known as your chromatograph.